to it. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. I think you'll be very excited.
You're excited?
Yes.
That's good, man. So am I. How about this guy? Are you excited?
Yeah, pretty excited.
Hey, do you know which fruit you want to be in Freefall?
No.
No, you want to be like a banana.
Oh, okay.
Did you see the banana photo?
Yes.
You want to show me how that's done real quick?
Like this.
Like this, but you have your hands in your harness, right?
Okay.
Beautiful. That's it. When I tap you, you release your arms like this, okay? And keep waving to the camera. That's it. Give me a thumbs up, my friend.
Yeah.
Nice. Playing right here. Together. Shot here. Over.
Oh, you're making big thumbs up. Woo! Way up there. Aussie, yeah.
My friend from Taiwan, having finals tomorrow?
Yeah, I want to come.
Welcome. Let's take a look around. Good stuff, man. How you doing, Tanner?
Yeah, great.
Nice work, man. Congratulations, first time skydiving.
Yes.
Anything you want to tell your friends and family back home?
It's awesome. Everyone should try this.
Everybody should.
Yes.
Skydive Surfcity, big thumbs up.
Yeah.
Oh.